it's Friday morning and I am headed into Hagerty's. I think it's Caffeine and Octane or something like that, but I usually take off like one Friday every summer to just take care of appointments and stuff that I need to get done. And today it's the dentist and this, and I'm sure there's something else I forgot about that I have on my appointment schedule to get done today, but yeah, so we are taking Spike for the first time. Last year I went and met my buddy George with his first gen 4Runner there, and I took Stomper, the old truck. So we'll see what kind of cool stuff shows up today. It's usually a pretty diverse group, so it should be cool. So George made it with his 4Runner. Lots of Camaros, old Willys, cool old camper special Ford truck, Porsches and BMWs and Miatas. Quite a diverse crowd here. It's pretty cool. Dylan getting ready to head off to work. LS SWAT Beamers are cool. Stock LS just doesn't quite sound the same.
I'm taking shots at the enemy.
Adjustable, no lever needed.
If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up.
We should, and we were coming down the lake. We just got past the sandbar. We're going to go down the river, and it starts sinking because some of the Hagerty got so soft that it started coming in. So we beached it to launch there. We beached it to launch, so we didn't sink up the river. You know, then we had to figure out how to deal with it. So we cut the whole bottom out and redid it all over.
So pretty funny what brings you back to your childhood. This is Denny Hoxie, and I grew up across the road from him. And I rode those tractors as a kid. It's pretty funny. His old custom cab, camper special. They used to haul fruit around the orchards right across the street from where I grew up on Williamsburg. So pretty cool stuff.
Cool stuff that